Hey YouTube, I'm just gonna show you guys this vacuum I bought for my car from Amazon. This is it right here. Let's unbox it. Free shipping with Prime. It's RETECK. It had good reviews on it, so that's why I bought it. So let's unbox it and see. This is the hose, the extension. This is it right here. Comes with a bag. This is like the attachment, the brush. This is another attachment for the areas you can get to, and the manual. This is 12-volt DC plug-in cigarette outlet. This is not the car AC voltage one. But I was looking for AC / DC connection. I don't think they make those. Okay, this is it right here. Let's see, press here. I think this is the on and off right here. This is a thick press to release the holder with the filter. This is the filter right here. Filters in here. Just a dot here how to put it back in. Just like this. It's called RETECK 12-volt DC, 75 watt. So this is the unboxing of it. I'll do another video and show you guys inside if it works inside the car, if it picks up the dust or whatever, crumbs, debris, and let you guys know how it works, if it has enough suction. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, leave a comment or any questions. Subscribe to see more videos also. Thanks for watching.